Hi, Prep 1. We're going to have a look at our new Jolly Phonics sound, the sound. Before we do that, let's look at some of our Jolly Phonics sounds. O, O, O for O. It's the O-R sound, so O for O-R. For K. W for W. R for R. For M. It for I. A, the AI sound, A. A for A. Ooh for L. K for C. The OA sound, O, the OA sound. For you. B for B. S for S. J for J. P for P. E for E. Z for Z. H for H. I for IE sound, I. D for D. The F sound. For N. G for G. T for T. E, the EE sound, E. Okay. This is our new Jolly Phonics sounds, the Let's listen to the story.
It is Saturday afternoon and Bing has come to play at Mark's house. They start by having a game of ping pong. Then they play with a racing car. Let's see what's on TV, says Mark. There might be some motor racing. They put on the TV. Look at that man, says Bing. He's a weightlifter, says Mark. They watch the man as he lifts some huge weights. Grunts the man. He must be strong, says Bing. Let's be weightlifters, says Mark. They use a broom and a mop as weights. They go as they pretend to lift the heavy weights.
Alright, so our Jolly Phonics sound for is like we're lifting up weights. Let's listen to the song. Seriously.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say
Alright, let's listen to the jingle.
As a weightlifter holds a heavy load,
Let's see how we write the ng sound. Alright, you can practice in the air, you can practice on the floor, or you can practice on someone's back. Let's follow the pencil. So we're going to go down, around, up, back, around, and down. Let's have a look at that one more time. Okay. Alright, we can see some words with the ng sound. Long.